Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings on the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the iRobot app with our device already set up, and you can find the map icon towards the center right-hand side of the screen, right above your water status and level indicators, so we can select that. From this screen, we can view all of our maps. This does support multi-level mapping if you have like a first or second story, things like that. You can add a new map by selecting the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, and it walks you through how to set everything up and generate your new map. Here's the current map that we have, our main floor. We have 3 dots we can look and click on. That allows us to delete it or conduct a mapping run. Let's go ahead, let's select the main floor map. Now we have 3 dots again in the top right-hand corner with some additional features. We can delete, rename, save map orientation, and we can also reset obstacle sensitivity right there. Then we have our zoom in, zoom out. We can also rotate the map. You get the idea there. Then we can view all of our rooms. This is how we currently have it set up. Down towards the bottom right-hand corner, we basically have your map legend showing us carpet. So that's what we can view on the legend right there. And there's carpet there, which is correct. There's carpet there, which is correct. And it should have the rug right there. Really nice. Then all of our editing options come at the bottom. We have room dividers, so we can add a new divider if we want. Or we could remove a divider. So there's your options there. Rotate, delete, save, cancel. So that's the room divider setting. Then we have our room labels. So we can relabel as needed. Lots of options for you. You can also do a custom name, and then just go down to other if you want to type in your own, if you can't find what you're looking for. And then lastly, we have our zones. This is where we can set our keep out zones. This will prohibit your Roomba from going in that spot for sensitive areas, big messes, things like that. And you can add multiples of those. Just drag and drop to resize. Same with the mopping zone there. So where do you want it not to go for anything? Where do you want it not to go for mopping? And then lastly, we can set the clean zones in blue. We already have a couple on our map there. But again, drag and drop, rename as needed. Very simple, so you can set up your zones. That's how you're going to do zone cleaning. This can also do room cleaning or full cleaning. Let me show you that right now. But that's how you want to configure the zones. So then you can go to the new job option in the app. From the new job settings, you could choose to clean everywhere. We have our map that's selected. And this is where you can do the room by room cleaning if you want. And you can select multiple rooms and make adjustments there, depending on your cleaning preference for that space. Or since we already have zones set up, this is where we can select those zones. So that's how you're going to do that. You configure it in your map first, name it what you want. Then it will always be available here in the job settings for you, and then you can start your clean. So that's a quick look at the map settings for the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Thanks for watching.